Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get knife on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get knife, you just need to go to the accessories right here. I'm going to show you guys. You can click on this knife item to get the knife. Sorry, I'm picking the wrong item. Okay, just click on the knife. You can zoom in if you are difficult to get this knife. Oops. Okay, just click on the knife and then you will get the knife on your hand. Okay, so this is the knife guys, and you can change the color if you want. You just need to click on the knife and then you can apply the color that you like. I'm going to select brown for example, or red. It's up to you. And then okay guys, that's all the way to get knife on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.